further north from Shimla, around 220 kilometers, there is a beautiful valley known as Sangla Valley. A tour covering Sangla, Rakcham, Chitkul and Kalpa is one of the most popular tours that you must take during the months of April, May, June, July, and you can take this tour even in the months of September, October and November, which is the best time to visit Kalpa, Sangla and Chitkul valleys. The land between heaven and earth is known as Kinnaur Valley. One can enjoy the unspoiled beauty of the mountains and nature over here. We travel on the Hindustan-Tibet road, which is now known as the National Highway number 5 and is an undoubted engineering feat cut out of the sheer rock face like a natural tunnel with one wall punched out. It was the Governor General Lord Dalhousie who ordered the work to begin on the Hindustan-Tibet road in June 1850. The Satluj Valley is the largest river valley of Kinnaur district. The valley is also famous for many cliffs, Wangtu, Rogi and Tranda. Near Nigulchuri village, the temple of goddess Tranda, where all vehicles coming from and going to Kinnaur stop to offer prayers for their safe journey. As per the legends, Kinnaur with all its beauty fell from the heaven as a gift from the gods, and once one is here, it is not hard to see and feel why this belief has taken roots. So now we have reached Tapri and we are going to have lunch here in a local roadside dhaba. So come and join us for the lunch. After lunch, we are driving you to Sangla. Beautiful Baspa Sangla Valley, popularly called the Sangla Valley after the main village. This is one of the Kinnaur's most beautiful side valleys. From the turn off at Karcham, leaving the National Highway number 5 behind, across the Baspa River to the lofty Chung Shango Pass, the valley is around 95 kilometers long. The important villages of the Baspa Sangla Valley are Kamru, Rakcham, Batseri and Chitkul, the last village on Indo-Tibet border. The entire Kinnaur district is full of beautiful villages and valleys in which the tourist can enjoy the unique and amazing mountain beauty of the place along with its culture. The valley is a good area for trout fishing, especially during the months of September and October. As we take a turn from Rakcham and start our climb to Sangla, the road is narrow and the valley is tight. But suddenly it starts opening on our arrival at Sangla. So travelers, we have reached Sangla Valley in Kinnaur. So we are putting our hats on. We are wearing our Kinnori hats and I am taking you on a walk to Kamru village. So come follow me to Kamru village. Himachal's best and most delicious apples come from the Kinnaur Valley. The entire mountains are covered with thick woods, apple and apricot orchards, fields and picturesque hamlets. In the lower Kinnaur Valley, you can notice that people follow Hinduism and Buddhism both. One can see Hindu gods being worshipped side by side with Buddhist deities in Buddhist and Hindu temples. Now we are at the Kamru Fort. Here no one is allowed without a cap and you have to tie your waist. Then only you are allowed inside the temple and the Kamru Fort. And the gate is locked right now. And we are going to knock it through the bells so the person inside will come to know that someone is waiting outside. They will open the gates and will give us the caps and the rope to tie around the waist to visit the fort inside. आ जाएं जी, आ जाएं. Now we are tying our waist. कहाँ से आप? The Kamru Fort complex has a temple dedicated to goddess Kamakshi, and this idol was brought centuries ago from Guwahati, Assam, where is the main temple on hilltop. The tower-like Kamru Fort is the place where many royal chiefs, kings of Rampur Bushire, were crowned. So friends, after a village walk of Kamru, we have arrived at the hotel Rupin River View at Raksham. So come, let's have some rest and we'll show you Chitkul, the last village of India, tomorrow morning. Good. After a leisurely breakfast at the hotel Rupin River View, we leave on a walk to explore the hidden gem of Kinnaur Valley, the Raksham village. It would not be wrong to call Raksham the mini Switzerland of India. The amazing mountain landscapes, shimmering blue water of Baspa River, the warm sun and the cool winds, the high mountain peaks covered with snow, the peaceful and relaxed environment are sufficient incentive for a visitor to this beautiful village. ये याक काउन है याक.
याक काउन शॉल बनाता है इससे.
अरे मुल्का कोट में बनाते पसीना का. तो कहाँ से है?
हम शिमला से आए। अच्छा याद टाउन है ये।
ये तो मोटा है ना,
हाँ हाँ
5 मिनट ये छांटा हुआ है ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। फिर इसमें मिक्स किया हुआ कुछ?
नहीं नहीं प्योर है।
Raksham village is a less explored, beautiful village in Sangla Valley, still far away from crowds of tourists, near to the mountains and nature. A holiday tour covering Sangla, Kalpa, Chitkul and Raksham is must that you must take with your family and loved ones, and you will cherish it for lifetime. April to November end is the best time of the year to take this tour. There are lot of hotels, guest houses, homestays and luxury tented accommodations to stay in Kalpa, Sangla, Chitkul and Raksham. After a relaxing walk around Raksham village, we continue our drive to Chitkul, the last village on Indo-Tibet border. So travelers, we have arrived at Chitkul, the last village on Indian-Tibet border in Baspa Sangla Valley at a height of 11,320 feet. You can enjoy the beautiful views in the valley over there, the village Chitkul with stunning mountain landscapes. At the height of 3,450 meters, Chitkul has the last Indian post office. During winters, January to March, the place mostly remains covered with the snow and the inhabitants move to lower regions of Himachal. Distance from Sangla to Raksham is 13 kilometers. Further 10 kilometers from Raksham is village Chitkul. Total from Sangla to Chitkul is 23 kilometers. Chitkul fort and the temple in the village is the major attraction for the tourist. A walk around Chitkul village provides you an opportunity to interact with the locals and observe their day-to-day life. During your tour, you can choose to stay 2 nights in Sangla or Raksham and make a day trip to Chitkul from there. Before continuing our drive to Kalpa, we return back to Raksham to have lunch with our lovely host Mr. Naresh Jistu, who runs this lovely hotel property, Hotel Rupin Riverview in Karcham. We had a very lovely and delicious lunch with him before continuing to Kalpa. The beautiful village of Kalpa presents the magnificent views of the Mount Kinnar Kailash, 6050 meters high mountain peak, which is regarded as one of the mythological abodes of Lord Shiva. Height of 2960 meters, Kalpa village is covered with thick pine forest and are famous for apricot, apples and chilgoza trees. From Kalpa, we do drive to Rogi village at a distance of 3 kilometers, which is very famous for its cliffs and Himalayan mountain views. Don't come to Rogi village in search of the suicide point on the cliffs, but do visit Rogi village for its ancient wooden carved Narayan temple.
रोगी नारायण जी का
गोगी
मंदिर।
नारायण गोगी नारायण जी का मंदिर है।
हाँ,
बहुत
ये-
पुराना मंदिर है
ये नया बनाया हुआ है।
अच्छा पुराना
हाँ, जो नारायण जी खुद प्रकट हो गया ना,
हाँ,
उस टाइम का मंदिर है ये।
ये
वो
साथ
जो
में
पल्ला वाला, ये जो काला काला है,
हाँ।
उधर पड़ रहा है ना,
हाँ,
ये।
अच्छा ये नया बना है।
हाँ, ये का हम।
And surprisingly, the suicide point has been covered with railings and converted into a beautiful picture spot saying I love Kinnaur. So come do visit Kalpa Sangla Chitkul along with the hidden gem Rakcham village. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more travel videos.